What's up everyone, how's it going? Welcome back to the channel. In today's video we're talking about where do Uber drivers go to the restroom, and this is actually a huge issue. There's just a massive article that just came out talking about how women rideshare drivers are struggling to find places to use the restroom. So we're gonna get started. Before I do, please, number one, comment below where's your favorite place to use the bathroom. I'm gonna read this article and then I'm also gonna talk about options you can do if you do need to use the restroom. And I wanna thank our sponsor Solo, by the way, which is a new finance app for Uber drivers and Lyft drivers and gig workers. When you sign in with my link and link your account, they're gonna give you 15 bucks. You just gotta link your Venmo or your PayPal. Literally that easy. Free 15 bucks waiting for you. Sign up down below. And they're actually a really awesome company. They just raised a round of funding. And they help drivers get guaranteed pay in some cities. Yeah, so if you work a certain amount of hours, you don't make that the average earnings amount, they're gonna pay you like, I don't know, this app's awesome. Check out Solo, link down below. I think the Rideshare Guy is an investor, maybe? I don't know. Check out the link below. We just got a partnership with them and we're excited to talk about Solo. Okay, so here we have it, my friends. Women rideshare drivers fight for access to bathrooms. Drivers are on the road for 12 hours a day. The lack of access to bathrooms is a labor and a safety issue, drivers say. Yeah, I mean, where taxi drivers usually go to the bathroom? And why, I mean, they say women drivers have problems, but I'm assuming they're saying that because men can just go in a bush. I don't know. It was time to relieve herself, Yan Li thought. She waited for the right moment when she was alone without passengers. With the Uber app still running, the woman pulled her Okay, you should probably turn the Uber app off, okay. With the Uber app still running, the woman pulled her Toyota Sienna over along one deserted street and quickly got in the back. While squatting, she reached for the bedpan and plastic bag she stored in one of her car compartments. She wrapped the bag tightly and set off to find a trash bin where she would dispose it. Oh, is she talking about go number 2? Bro, come on, you're not gonna wipe after that? She wrapped the bag tightly and set off to find a trash bin where she would dispose it. That is how Lee, a Chinese immigrant woman in her 40s, has relieved herself since she started working for Uber 7 years ago. Okay, come on, at that point, just go home. Go to the bathroom at home. Lee typically works 12 hours a day starting 11 in the morning, and her earnings have allowed her to support her grandparents, husband, and 21-year-old daughter who are all in China. On any given day, Lee feels the urge to use a restroom at least 3 times, but the number goes up when she drinks coffee, a necessity on long shifts. Yeah, I always, like, I don't know about you guys, but like I always do want to stay really hydrated while I'm driving because like I want to, make sure I'm like, energetic. But a lot of times I'm like, I know if I've chugged this, a couple liters of water throughout the day, like I'm gonna have to go to the bathroom a lot. I've never had an instant where I was like with a passenger on a long ride and had to use the bathroom, but usually what I do, well, let's keep reading. She usually works 12 hours a day starting at 11 in the morning, and her earnings have allowed her to support her grandparents. Well, that's nice. Husband and 21-year-old daughter who are all in China. Oh wow, she's taking care of all of her family who live in China? Sounds like the husband needs to get a job. On any given day, immigrants have long turned to the gig economy when starting a new life in New York City. Driving for Uber or delivering food doesn't require an educational certification or language proficiency, just a vehicle and a driver's license. And there's really one factor which determines how much a driver makes, how long they're willing to sit in the car. I mean, to be fair, they do need to take the driver education class in order to pass, and I'm assuming that is in English. But maybe I'm wrong, maybe they do. I'm assuming they're in different languages too? I don't know. Recent studies should suggest that 86% of app-based drivers are immigrants, and more than half of them are from the Dominican Republic, Haiti, Pakistan, India, and Bangladesh. Nationwide, women drivers represent 17% of total delivery workers, around 24% of total rideshare drivers with apps like Uber and Lyft. And it's women who face the greatest challenges when it comes to hygiene. This industry is really dominated by male drivers. Dominating male drivers, said Michelle Doughton, a driver in her late 50s who moved to New York from Trinidad and Tobago. Men can always find a little solution to relieve themselves, it's much easier. But for us, a solution is never easy. By the way, going to the bathroom outside is illegal. I do not recommend doing that, although I have in the past, not gonna lie. Menstruation is another consideration that drivers need to adapt every month. Every woman knows that you need to change pads or tampons every 3 or 4 hours, but for me, I just don't have that time. Oh my gosh. Lee said with a bitter smile about our time with Uber, you can't pull over every 4 hours? I don't know. I mean, for me, like, when I gotta go to the bath, I don't know, maybe I'm a dude and maybe I'm mansplaining here, okay? I'm sorry for all the 24% of rideshare drivers I'm offending, but when I gotta go to the bathroom, I go to a Starbucks. Or if it's super late, I go to a McDonald's. Or a Taco Bell. Or Walmart. Or actually Ralph's, a grocery store, is open till 1 a.m. in my area. So I always go there. But yeah, I don't know. There are two 24/7 public bathrooms in New York City. That's nice. In New York City, I mean, Starbucks opens at 5 a.m. And then, I mean, yeah, I don't know. I mean, I guess if you're driving after like 1 a.m., it might be difficult to find a McDonald's. But anyways, I'm not going to read the whole article. I just wanted to bring this up because, I'm sorry, I shouldn't be hating on this. I do understand it's a problem and people need to use the restroom. But, I mean, it is a problem though sometimes, like especially late. Or if you just really have to go and you're kind of like far away and you're trying to make money, I get it. But it is a balance between like drinking coffee and having like water and having to use the bathroom. So comment down below where you go. Again, I said I try to go to Starbucks, Taco Bell. I try not to go to like fast food places because I feel like they're usually dirty. So that's why I do Starbucks. I used to work at Starbucks and those bathrooms get cleaned usually every hour and a half. So they're generally nice. Oh, you can get a gym membership at 24 Hour Fitness. That's what I recommend to use the bathroom. Obviously, you can go in there anytime. They're not, you know, go in, use the bathroom. You can even take a quick shower if you want, get a refresh, take a quick cold shower. Go in the jacuzzi. Go in the steam room for 10 minutes, take a quick shower. That might honestly not be a bad solution. Did Dylan just find the solution? Okay. Comment down below, guys. Also, check out Solo, the new app for rideshare drivers that helps them make more money. And again, you get 15 bucks when you sign up with our link down below just for signing up. Thanks for watching, guys. You guys are great. I'll talk to you soon. Bye now.